Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Thursday, September 8th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see the futures are trading lower by 2 points. They were higher around 3 o'clock in the morning and have rolled over a little bit. We do have comments coming out of the ECB today, so Mario Draghi and company are making some comments. They've actually looked like they've run out of things to buy, but nonetheless, we'll see how the market reacts to that. But in the meantime, futures right now trading down about 2 points on the S&P 500. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news because that's where we're going to make some money today. First off the bat that I like to talk about is going to be HPE, which is Hewlett Packard Enterprise. Stock right now is trading down a little bit, closed at $22.09. It is now trading at $21.73. It looks like the company reported earnings. Again, I'm not going to make too much out of this move. If the stock does get down to around 20 bucks, that is where you can look for intraday support. I'm not sure it's going to get down to that level, but that would be the only level that would interest me. All right, let's take a look at Pier One Imports. PIR is the ticker symbol there. The stock is getting hit a little bit, closed at $4.80. It is now trading at $4.10. So Pier One continues to remain weak on the charts, and today is no better. The stock right now looks a little bit weak. The only level that would even interest me today would probably be somewhere down around the 380 level. If it got down to 380, there could be a play there. It's just very, very tough with a single-digit stock to know what kind of bounce you're going to get. So you got to be a little bit careful with equities like this. Tesla in the news today. TSLA. The stock right now is trading at $198.19, closed at $201.71. I believe this was a downgrade. So again, Tesla being downgraded today, and it is coming under pressure. So again, Tesla a little bit on the weaker side this morning. Let's take a look at Tractor Supply, TSCO. You're going to see the stock is trading at $71.90, closed at $83.53. So this is a haircut of epic proportions. The only level I see for this stock would be around $65 to $66. And yes, it can get there. This has already been absolutely annihilated. What's a few more dollars to the downside? So again, gets to 65, it's 65, 66 bucks. That's where it catches my eye. I would watch that area for a potential bounce today in Tractor Supply. All right, let's take a look at Ryanair, RYAAY. Little strange ticker symbol. Stock is getting a good little pop today, trading at $79.67. Not a lot of volume behind the move, so be a little bit careful there. The stock did close at $76.31, so this is a decent little uptick. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. I think it is a little bit overbought already. Let's take a look here at Twitter. TWTR, I believe Twitter is having a conference today. Not a conference, I shouldn't say. I believe they are having some kind of board meeting, and the stock is getting hit. So it closed at $19.87 yesterday, now trading at $18.94 today. That's a good dollar dip. I'm not sure what's coming out of that meeting, but nonetheless, Twitter on the weaker side. The only level that gets me interested in Twitter, $17.42. If it gets there, I think it's worth a stab for a scalp bounce today. Let's take a look at Apple. They unveiled their new iPhone 7. They had their big conference yesterday. Today, the stock is trading a little on the weaker side, closed at 108.36. It is now trading at 107.77. Again, no play here for me in Apple from what I can see, but we will look at this when the opening bell rings, as we do play it quite often in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at Asml, which is a chip maker. Looks like Samsung has sold their stake in the company. Stock closed at 106.33. It is trading at 104.80 now. Not a lot of volume here, but nonetheless, stock coming under pressure. Looks like there is some support around 100, 101, somewhere there. So we may see this stock dip a little bit lower, and we'll keep it on the radar today. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings today. Some notable downgrade stocks, stocks that were downgraded today. Nike, I believe, was downgraded. Stock's coming under a little bit of pressure. Lululemon, another one downgraded today. Stock is trading at $67.20, closed at $68.23. So that's down about $1. And I do see First Solar, FSLR is the ticker symbol there. Stock was downgraded as well, closed at 38.46, trading at 37.60. So again, these are the notable downgrades, and this is what we have today. We'll see what this market gives us. We'll see what comes out of the ECB, and we'll see how this market reacts. Shifting gears here a little bit. Gold today is trading up 20 cents to $1,349.40 an ounce. And then we have crude oil trading higher by 75 cents. So good pop for crude today. And that is trading at $46.28 a barrel. If you're looking at the USO, you're going to see that that is trading at 1069. This is a good oil ETF to track if you want to trade crude and you don't have a futures account in oil. So again, USO is trading higher, reflecting a little pop in spot crude this morning. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. If you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see what it's all about. And again, we're going to look to have a great 2016. We already are. And we're going to look to keep that going into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody have a great session, and we will see you on the charts.